Hi there. Welcome to our channel, Learn It Simply. I'm not your typical host. I'm an avatar created using the latest AI tools. My appearance is brought to you by Lexica, my script comes from GPT, my voice is powered by 11 Labs, and my video was created by DID. Together, we've teamed up to bring you an exciting tutorial on how you can create your very own avatar videos using the power of AI. Creating avatar videos has never been easier. With advancements in AI technology, you can now bring your ideas to life and engage your audience in a whole new way. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking to have fun, avatars can make your videos more captivating and interactive. Now, you might be wondering, how can I create my own avatar videos? Well, it's simpler than you think. AI tools have made the process user-friendly and accessible to everyone. With just a few clicks, you can design your avatar, generate a script using GPT, select a voice that suits your style from 11 Labs, and create stunning visuals with DID. So, if you're ready to take your videos to the next level, join us on this exciting journey of avatar creation. Subscribe to our channel, Learn It Simply, and stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials, where we'll guide you step by step through the process. Let's unleash the power of AI and make your videos truly remarkable.
Let us start. Open Google, search Lexica Art in Google. Select the first site lexica.art. This is the home screen of Lexica. Scroll down to see a list of images. You can search images using search option in the home screen. Here I am searching an image of female. We have wide range of options to choose from. We can generate our own image using generate option. To generate image as per our choice, we need to sign in. Here I have entered prompt in few words like fair female age 30 round face. Select generate button. It is generating images as per the prompt. I selected this image as my avatar. Save it to device. Our image is ready now. Next we require a script specifically tailored for the audio component of the video. For script we use AI tool ChatGPT. Search ChatGPT in Google and sign into ChatGPT site. I have given this prompt to ChatGPT. Write a script for avatar for YouTube video with subject like below. Hi, welcome to our channel Learn It Simply. I am not a human, I am avatar created by latest AI tools, my image from Lexica, voice from 11 Labs. Video create by DID. I am here to show you how you can create your avatar videos with the help of latest AI tools. ChatGPT is generating script. Review the script and ascertain it is okay with our specifications and needs. The script is now ready to be converted into voice. To generate voice, search 11 Labs in Google, select the first site 11 Labs Prime AI Text to Speech. Sign up. Copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it here. we can preview the voice generated. Here we can adjust the settings as per our choice, like voice, stability, clarity, volume. If all configurations are okay, then we can preview voice and generate it. Here we can see how many characters used, remaining quota. I am generating voice and downloading. Now our voice is ready to use. Next we proceed to generate our video by utilizing the AI-generated still image. Search DID in Google. Open the first site Studio DID. In order to generate a video, it is necessary for us to register and create an account on DID. We are in homepage of DID, here select Create Video. On this page, we have the option to choose pre-existing images or upload our own. In this case, I am opting to upload the previously created image. Select Add button. Select the image saved earlier. Our image uploaded. Choose the desired language from the available options provided in the list. Select voice from the options. You have the option to input text here and test the voice accordingly. I am now uploading the voice that was generated using 11 Labs. You have the option to play back the uploaded voice. Once you have confirmed the audio, you can proceed to select the option Generate Video. Within this new window, you will be able to view the number of credits needed for this video, its duration, the video's name, and the credits used. Select Generate Video option. A new window of video library will open, where you can view the generated videos. Here is the video I created previously. Now our video generated successfully. You can play the video here, and if it meets your expectations, you can proceed to download it onto your device. Open the video on your device, and you can view and utilize it according to your specific needs.
If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI, avatars, and other exciting topics, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Learn It Simply. Don't miss out on our future tutorials and updates. Before we go, I want to express my gratitude for your support and engagement. Your comments, likes, and shares motivate us to continue creating valuable content. Thank you for being a part of our community. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, stay curious and keep creating, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.